So I'll focus on allogeneic first. I think that so many of the allogeneic therapies could be pretty much produced. We can, produce the materials, we can freeze the materials, we can store them, and then basically you're looking at sort of mass production, as long as you meet all the clinical standards, of course, and the pre-screening of donors, et cetera, that you can create a great product for companies that are doing allogeneic production. Where the complication gets in is autologous, right? And so that, I think, is something for StemExpress's model is unique to us. All of our locations are pretty much on the same blocks as hospitals. So a patient being referred over to one of our centers is an easy process versus where if we're 3 hours out of town or something to that degree. But when you're thinking about a patient's cells back to themselves, in that, you're talking about close density to healthcare, reliability of those locations, easy transit for the patient, but then also the partnership with that company has with the pharma companies that are doing the manufacturing. So most of the companies that we support right now in like a clinical setting or have moved into commercialization, they're looking for hospitals that can offer their products, but that hospital doesn't also have to take on building out their own infrastructure to do the collections necessary to participate, right? So by StemExpress partnering with the hospitals that we do, which is roughly about 75 hospitals that we work with, about half of which are in Europe. But we can actually receive patients that come from these healthcare facilities and do the cell collection on site.